In mid-October, the Arizona Democratic Party made a Facebook post saying grocery prices in Arizona have seen a 12% spike since last year thanks to Republican trade policy. But have grocery prices really risen that much? And if so, is this because of Republican trade policy? Let's fact check that. Hi, I'm Nicole Ludden, AZ Central's fact checker. I chase down facts and take a closer look at claims made about important issues. The Democratic Party's Facebook post is based on the Arizona Farm Bureau Federation's Market Basket Survey, which examines price changes for 16 basic grocery items throughout the state. For the second quarter of 2019, the price of these 16 items increased by 12%, compared to the same time period last year. According to the survey, the cost of bacon increased by $2.34, while a loaf of bread increased by $1.30. The survey looks at a limited assortment of items, so some economists refer the Bureau of Labor Statistics Consumer Price Index as a better gauge of how prices have changed over time. In October, the Consumer Price Index for grocery prices in the Phoenix, Mesa, Scottsdale region was up by 4.2% since the previous year, which one economist called substantial but not unprecedented. Let's look at the second piece. Did Republican trade policy drive this increase? President Donald Trump has enacted many tariffs on other countries as part of his America First policy to reduce the U.S. trade deficit. Tariffs are imposed on powerful trading partners like China and the European Union, and these countries have responded with retaliatory taxes on U.S. goods. These tariffs are paid by U.S. registered firms to U.S. Customs, but importers often offset this cost by raising prices for customers. Economists say the impact on grocery prices depends on the product in question, and many factors could contribute to price hikes. For example, the African swine fever in China has significantly damaged the country's pork market, hence the significant rise in bacon prices. Furthermore, many of the items on the Arizona Farm Bureau's Market Basket Survey are not imported into the U.S. and not subject to tariffs. Bottom line, according to the Market Basket Survey, grocery prices in Arizona did increase by 12%, but only for a limited amount of products. Though tariffs may have some effect on price increase, there are many other factors that influence food cost. We find the Arizona Democratic Party's claim unsupported and give it 0 stars. For a closer look, read our full analysis at azcentral.com, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. The survey looks at a limited assortment of items, Furthermore, many of the items on the Arizona Farm Bureau Market Basket